It is after rain, and I can hear sound I have not heard in years. Let's listen to the rhythm of falling rain. Just go see all the beauty in the world. A home of green mother nature, my another wonderful experience. So come along with me and I will show you how this place is blessed with nature. Whatever your mood, you always feel calm and nice near nature. This lockdown has established one big truth that nature is immortal. It is exciting to see how nature, trees, flowers, and grass move in silence. Yes, we need silence to be able to touch the soul and Mother Nature. The poetry of art is never dead. We have often read there is no Wi-Fi in the forest, but I promise you will find a better connection. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Sun will set only to rise again to a new beginning with new hopes. Nature is like a canvas that gives pleasure to all the creatures in this planet. Save nature today, many lives will be saved in future. Get lost in nature.